Blender, an amazing 3D suite with horrific material management. Create a few materials, and you soon find yourself with an endless list of names and tiny little thumbnails. What are you meant to do? Start a scavenger hunt? This ain't no Easter eggs. I've got a job to do. Enter material tags, a tag-based management system that lets you view, edit, and organize materials. Blender's collections system is not available to materials, but even if it were, Material Tags is the greatest tool, allowing you to assign multiple tags to each material, offering complete flexibility in categorization. Build your tag hierarchies however you need and filter them to find exactly what you need. For example, a rusty metal texture could fall under metallic and rusty. No need to restrict materials to just one label. The parent-child tag structure allows you to view materials broadly or get specific. Hide or isolate materials using the eye and tick icons, filtering your list even further. No more scrolling through obscure material names. Just search by tags and instantly find what you need. You can click the eye to hide any materials from showing up, hiding all rusted materials from your metals list, or to isolate or solo the materials of that tag, showing only metallic shaders even when looking into the tile tag. Material Tags is more flexible and forgiving than Blender's collections, enabling multiple tags, easy filtering, and fast material access. You won't need to scroll through an exhaustive list of materials anymore. Remember that list! Horror! Plus, with Generate Thumbnails, it's never been easier to spot the right material. Put away that telescope, Geoffrey! You need it or not. Yeah. But wait! There's more! The Pro version adds powerful batch editing options that let you modify settings across multiple materials at once, such as opacity type and modifying the nodes themselves! Here's how it works though. Select a node from a material and the add-on displays all its inputs. Adjust them as needed, click apply, and the same input value is applied across all nodes of the same type in all of the tagged materials. You can filter node editing based on both node type and name. Useful when you have multiple of the same node type in a material you want to change separately. You could rename one node to rough and the other to glossy, and now you can adjust the inputs for one type of group without affecting the other. Image texture nodes have their own options, like pixel interpolation and color space settings. You can also filter by normal map, which either targets only image textures connected to normal maps or ignores them. For example, we'll quickly set all normal maps to non-color data instantly. Material management in Blender is horrifically non-existent. A one-dimensional system that falls apart as your material list grows. And hell, it grows and keeps on growing. Material Tags lets you categorize, organize, and find the materials with a level of ease unseen in Blender before. Just go to your slot, find what you like, and click! Click, 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 click. It's also compatible with Mallet Material Mode, the easiest way to apply materials to your mesh, debloating all that mess of slots with the simplicity of a click und drag. Be sure to check it out. Together, they will redefine how you see materials in Blender. A world changer, something that you've never seen before and that will be the status quo from here on out in your Blender workflow. In your Blender texturing workflow.